Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create with Crafty Kids. It's going to be great. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable personalized tote bag. It's a cute custom gift that's super easy and affordable, so stick around to find out how to do this. I started with this mini canvas tote bag from Hobby Lobby. It came in a couple colors, pink, purple, and mint, and I chose pink. And then to personalize it, I grabbed this Sequin letter iron-on patch. The patch conveniently has the instructions on the back of how to adhere it to the material, but I'll be showing in the video as well. This mini tote bag is 7 inches by 11 inches, so it is on the smaller side, but I think it makes it the perfect size for a child's gift or a snack bag or just a daily use tote. I followed the instructions on the back of the patch, placing it on the center of the tote bag and then ironing it on securely. When ironing on your patch, you'll want to check after 10 seconds or so of ironing and make sure that the patch has adhered to the material. If it hasn't, just go ahead and repeat the process. And there you have it, a simple, stylish, personalized tote bag that makes for the perfect gift. All of the materials rang in just under $8, so this is a great budget-friendly DIY craft to do and to gift to someone. I plan on using mine as a snack bag, but it's also great for carrying small toys, books, or just little essentials. It's such a cute and customized, inexpensive gift idea, and I hope you get to try it out. Thanks so much for watching.